Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pradeep Mathur. I'm a cybersecurity consultant, trainer, and a technical writer. Today we will be discussing about ISO IEC 42001, building trustworthy AI systems. In this, we'll discuss what is ISO IEC 42001, why ISO IEC 42001 matters, what is PDCA cycle in ISO IEC 42001. We'll discuss the clause structure overview. We'll also cover risk management with ISO IEC 42001, AI opportunity in ISO IEC 42001, ISO integration, and what are the benefits of ISO 42001. So what is ISO IEC 42001? It is the first global standard for AI management system. It was published in 2023. It applies to organizations that develop, use, and provide AI systems. Why ISO IEC 42001 matters? It addresses the AI risks, which includes bias, misuse, privacy, safety. It ensures that it builds trust and transparency. It aligns with global regulations and ethical expectations. We'll discuss PDCA. P stands for planning. In this, we define objectives and the risks. D stands for do. Here we implement controls and the processes. C is check, wherein we monitor and audit the performance of AI systems. And act is we improve and correct the issues related to AI systems. The clause structure. In this, we'll discuss about context of the organization. AI is influencing the internal and external factors and the stakeholders. In the leadership and governance, it assigns roles, responsibilities, and accountability for AI at an executive level. In planning, we plan risk identification, mitigation plans, opportunity tracking in align with organizational strategy. In support, we cover supporting competency trainings, documentation, and resources. Under operations, we do controlling, designing, data training, and deployment, decommissioning for transparency, explainability, and human oversight. In performance evaluation, we monitor, audit KPIs for AI systems performance and their risks. In improvement, we manage and handle incidents, continually improve, and feedback loops. We'll discuss about AI risk management with ISO IEC 42001. Herein, we'll discuss patch and bias fairness. Under this, we can perform algorithmic fairness audits, use representative datasets and document data provenances, deploy fairness awareness ML models, and stakeholders inclusion in risk assessment and decision making. Under privacy and security, conduct AI specific data protection impact assessments, apply privacy enhancing technologies, ensure model security, and align with the ISO 27001 and GDPR and DPDP compliances. Under human autonomy and oversight, ensure human in the loop, human on the loop oversight, and depending on the context. Define clear accountability roles and escalation paths. Implement override mechanisms and decisions traceability. Maintain documentation of when and why humans should intervene. On the transparency and explainability, use interoperable models where possible. Apply explainable AI tools such as SHAP and LIME. Document model logics, limitations, and assumptions. And clearly label AI generated content and decisions to the users. Under sustainability and robustness, optimize model for energy efficiency and environmental impact. Conduct robustness testing like scenario analysis, adversarial input tests, etc. Design for graceful degradation and system resilience. And continuously monitor and performance across real world conditions. AI opportunities in ISO IEC 42001. ISO 42001 promotes AI opportunities alongside risk control in innovation in products and services, business process automation, improved customer experience, and data driven decisions at a scale. The standard ensures that the value for AI is realized ethically and legally. ISO IEC 42001 integration. It integrates with ISO listed out here on this page. It also integrates with EU AI Act. Some of the benefits: it enhances the trust and reputation, it reduces the legal and ethical risks, it improves AI system performance, and aligns with the global standards. So ISO IC 42001 2023 provides a structured path to a responsible AI. It builds trust with users and regulators. It reduces AI related incidences and creates value for AI safely and ethically. Thank you for watching. And coming up is ISO IEC 42005 2025. In this, we'll be discussing conducting AI system impact assessment. I hope you like this video and do share with your comments and with your friends. You have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.